Welcome to the Nutley Cisco Academy. Today's presentation is on routing tables.
The routing table. The routing table is a data file in RAM that is used to store route information about directly connected and remote networks with the purpose of sending packets along the most optimal route. There's directly connected routes, which are configured directly to the router, and then there's remote routes, which are networks connected to directly connected routes.
Routing table sources. Entries of routing table. Local route interfaces. Added when the interface is configured. Entries only displayed in iOS 15 for IPv4 and no IPv6. Directly connected interfaces. Added when the interface is configured and active. Static routers. Added when the route is manually configured and the exit interface is active. Dynamic protocol routing. Added when the routing protocols that dynamically learn about the networks, such as EIG, RP, or OSPF, are identified. Routing entries are identified by code. This code identifies the route was learned. Common codes include L, identifies the address assigned by the router's interface. C, identifies a directly connected network. S, identifies a static route created to reach a specific network. D, identifies a dynamically learned network from another route using EIGRP. O, identifies a dynamically learned network from another route using OSPF.
Directly connected networks are added to the routing table if the interface connected to the router has an IP address configured and is in the up and up state. Connected routes always take precedence over static or dynamically discovered routes because they have the administrative distance value of 0, which is the lowest possible value. An example would be both routers directly connected to two networks. And connected routers differ from directly connected routers because subnets directly connected to a router's interface are added to the router's routing table, and an interface has to have an IP address configured, and both interface status codes must be in the up and up state. A router will be able to route all packets destined for all hosts, and subnets directly connected have its active interfaces.
A new router with that configuration has an empty routing table. Once configured, the interface is added to the routing table as a directly connected network. Before the interface is up, a valid IPv6, IPv4 address has to be configured. You must activate the no shutdown command, and it has to receive a carrier signal from another device. Once configured, a properly configured one has two routing table entries, not one, and it has a route source, destination network, and an outgoing interface.
Here are our questions, and here are the answers. Please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.